killed this buffalo.
The animal cannot move anyway. Yes. And it's got plenty of meat. Yes.
He has to defend it now.
Yes.
Will the hyenas come tonight?
They'll come, they might come to challenge him, but he's going to defend it. Don't make a movement.
Yeah, we have more different
Yeah, we saw Neil take down a zebra when we were in the Serengeti and drag the whole zebra by itself.
Yeah, that was pretty impressive.
Yeah, it stuck its teeth in the neck and dragged it across the plain.
I imagine he's going to drag it in there.
Gracias.